Welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how to get 1,000 subscribers in a couple of hours probably, just to show you guys. So what you're gonna do, this is my test channel. I'm doing a thing to see if I can break the world record, which is 4,000 subscribers in a day. So if you guys can see this video out and just subscribe right now to see if I can get past that, would be great. But this site is called subscribes.com. You can see right there, it's subscribes.com. And my channel, you can see my channel is Logan Man, right there, see? But what you're gonna do, okay, and click back. So here's the channel. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna log in. There's a little sign out right there, but you'll log in, and then you just go through, subscribed. And then Gabriel Dreamers, who I just subscribed to, subscribe back to me. Subscribed. But once you reach too many subscriptions in an hour, it's like, oh no. But literally what you do, click sign out. And then load. It's forwarding me. Let's reload the page. That'll probably work. I'll just go back. Alright, it wasn't working right then, but here we go. We're gonna go to my account. And there you go. And then you can go right back to it. Boom, boom, boom. See? Keep subscribing, people. And just keep doing that, and you'll get to 1,000 subscribers in no time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like and subscribe. And I know a lot of you guys are going to be saying it's fake, but it's not. And if you can, subscribe to me so I can break that world record. Thank you guys so much for watching.